So 8 times of a number reduced by 10 is equal to the sum of 6 times the number and 4. Find the number. So here one number is there. Let that number be x. So 8 times of a number. So multiply 8 into that number. So 8x is reduced. Reduced means minus by 10. So is equal to the sum of 6 times the number. So 6 ni x తో multiply చేయండి. 6x that is. So 6 times of the number and 4. So 8x minus 6x equal to 4 plus 10. That is 2x equal to 14. X equal to ఇది మల్టిప్లికేషన్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి డివిజన్లోకి వస్తుంది 1 times 7 times. So x equal to 7 is the answer.